Well, you know it would not be a Sydney unboxing unless we had multiple boxes to go through. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel and thank you for supporting my addiction to subscription boxes. Today is another episode where we're going to be unboxing not one, but two FabFitFun winter bundles. If you guys are interested in purchasing the FabFitFun subscription, I will be posting a link down below for you. I also have two different codes that will save you some money off of your first order, or if you sign up as an annual member and prepay ahead for 4 boxes, not only will you get a discount, but they'll also send you a free box of goodies. So it's an extra bundle of products on top of the discount off the boxes. Today we're going to be going through 2 of these boxes. I have with me my personal FabFitFun box, which I customized. I pay for that box. It has all of my choices inside of it. But then I also added onto my box a mystery bundle, and this bundle retailed for $64.99. But inside of this box, we're supposed to have items from the winter 2024 collection. You just don't know what's going to be in here though. So I'm going to open up this one first. That way, if you guys do decide to sign up for this subscription, not only will you know some of the products that are available, but if you decide to add on the mystery box, this is the box that you would get. And I would rather you guys see ahead of time what it is before spending $65 and then, you know, realizing that you don't like any of it. That's what I do over here, you guys, is I buy it so you don't have to. And your views help me to buy all of these, so thank you for that. So this is what it will look like. It's your classic winter box. And then inside are going to be our mystery products, you guys. Ooh! Oh, there's different things than what I got? Oh, come on now. Why does the box keep being so dramatic like that? I am happy about that. There are different items in here than what I customized my box with. So the first item inside of the box is our honey pot and dipper. I'm actually very excited about this, you guys. I debated so hard about getting this item for my personal box. I'm not kidding. I went back and forth. And the only reason why I opted no is because I was like, will I use this? And I was like, maybe for a while, but maybe I won't. But now that I have it, I will definitely use it. It's almost like FabFitFun knew I was struggling over this product. And they're like, here, we're just going to send it to you because you won't do it yourself. So inside there will be a honey dipper. This is a wooden dipper. And then along with it, you're gonna have your honey jar. And this is a ceramic pot and it has a little lid and it says honey right on the side here. So this is your honey pot. And then there's actually a little notch here for the spoon. So your spoon can go inside of the honey pot, you guys. And then look at this. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? And I love that it's white. It's just a cream white color, so it should go with absolutely everything. But oh my goodness, I love this. So this is an option right now. If you've not seen the winter 2024 unboxing, I've done a couple of them already, but you could choose that as one of your items in your regular box as well. But you're also gonna get it in the mystery box if you decide to add it on. Okay, next item inside of the mystery box today is from Fenty Skin. This is the Jelly Oil Makeup Melting Cleanser. It is a full-size product. So this is what it will look like here, and it is a jelly texture. This is cruelty-free, and it states that it is going to remove even waterproof makeup, and it will cleanse your skin and remove oils and makeup and dirt from the day. Now, I'm kind of surprised this is in the mystery box, to be honest with you guys, because Fenty's a great brand. So, I mean, it's great. I'm not complaining, but I am surprised. Also included in my mystery box is Murad. This is really good, you guys. This is their targeted wrinkle corrector. So full-size product once again. And like I said before, all of these products that I'm showing you are available for your regular winter box. You can customize and choose these products, but this is also what's in the mystery box right now. So this one is a full-size product. It is going to be cruelty-free. They want you to use this morning and night, and you're just going to apply this on, and it is going to target specific wrinkles and fine lines. So you can use this anywhere on your face or your neck area, but it's not an all-over treatment. You're just going to do like a spot treatment. So I do feel like between the Murad and the Fenty Skin, those are full-size products. I've got to be very close to that $65 price point. I have to be close because I know they are a bit more expensive. So my next item is from Patchology. This is their Flash Patch. How cute is that? But this is going to feature caffeine and collagen inside of it, and it will have 15 pairs of eye masks. You'll apply this in that under eye area, and it will take down puffiness. It's gonna also rejuvenate that eye area, so it'll give you a brighter, more awake look. And then it's also got hyaluronic acid in there, so it's gonna give you hydration at the same time. So this is what it will look like. Patchology is a great brand. I will always use some eye masks. These are great to just put on when you're getting ready in the morning. I have my coffee, throw it on, it smooths it all out, takes down all the puffiness, gets rid of like any dark circles that you have. Like, again, I will absolutely use this. The next item that we have in here is from Ahava. This is their cleansing gel. So it is a full-size product at 100 ml. It is approved for sensitive skin, and it states that this cleansing gel will remove all makeup, oils, dirt, anything that you don't want to have on your skin. But it also mentions, what I'm looking at is the ingredient list here. It states that it's going to calm your skin down and give you a glowing effect at the same time. So if you do have any irritation or redness, this is supposed to take that down. And it's because of the different seed oils that they have in here. And it's also their patented blend that they've created here with this one as well. So it kind of sounds like it's going to be a little bit better than the Fenty one. Although Fenty says it's going to target like waterproof makeup. So maybe, I don't know, maybe these aren't a fair comparison, but it sounds like this is going to give you more of a calming effect, take down redness. But like I said, the Fenty one might be a really strong cleanser. Either way, I will still use both of them. So the last item inside of my FabFitFun mystery box is from Haps, or is it Hops? I think it's Haps. There's an A, not an O, right? But why do I want to say Hops? Okay, I'm overthinking this. This is a spray that is for your toilet. So this is what it will look like here. It is a full-size spray. I'm not gonna lie, you guys, I did think about getting this. You want to shake this 3 to 5 times first, and then you're going to spritz this into the toilet bowl or in the restroom itself, and it's going to give you a pleasant smell is the idea with it. I do think this would work for anyone. I mean, let's face it, we could all use a better smell in the restroom. So that is everything inside of the mystery box from FabFitFun. So if you guys decide to order the additional box, this is what you will receive inside of your box. The only reason why you wouldn't is if they were to sell out of these, which I really doubt that would happen. I do feel like it's heavy on the beauty products, but honestly, it's not a bad return on your money. I mean, for $65 to have full-size beauty products, it's not a bad deal. Now, do you want to see what I went with in my box? So this is my personal subscription box that I do pay for, and then I chose all of the items inside of this. They do still have a lot of quantities on here. So if you guys want any of these products, they are still available right now to get. Usually the later we get into the season is when they're going to be sold out even faster, but I do know they have a lot of these still available right now. So this is what my personal box looks like. Hopefully by the end of this video, with all of the content I've created this season, if you are interested in seeing the items that they have for the winter season, hopefully we've covered everything, and that way you'll know for sure what you're buying. So the first item that I went with are the mini Crocs. I loved these. Now I was sent this in my PR box, and I tried them out, you guys, and I fell in love. I was like, I need another set. It is a set of 2, and I personally just wanted to have a set of 4. That way, if we do a dinner night and we have people over, we could all have our own little Crocs. They are so cute. They are safe to go in the dishwasher as well. They come in 2 colors, so there's going to be a cream and then also a green one in there. They are safe to go in the oven. You can put these in the dishwasher as well. They're really perfect for just everything. So this is what it will look like here for your little Croc. And I did show you guys this in my PR video already, but if you haven't seen that video, here's your chance to see what it looks like. So it comes with a little lid on here. I mean, it's It is adorable, you guys. So I do recommend these. They're a great size. They clean up well. I've already used them once and they were perfect, but I think this was my favorite find of the winter season this year. The next item that I went with in my personal box is the cookbook. Now this cookbook is actually created by the same owner that created the miniature Crocs as well. So this will go hand in hand with them. This cookbook has more than just, it's not only recipes for the Crocs, but there are some for it. But then she's got a little bit of everything in here. So I like this one partially because there's a lot of recipes in it. Additionally, there's photos for every single recipe, which personally, I don't know, you guys, like I like to eat with my eyes, so I like to be able to see what the end result is. So she will give you recipes that you can use for your Crocs. You can make it in a large one, or you can make them in individual servings as well. And that's really the main reason why I got this. But she's also got some healthy alternatives in here as well, so that's another win. But this is what your cookbook will look like. It retails for $35 at the bookstores if you guys wanted to buy it, which getting it in my FabFitFun box was just a much better deal. This looks so yummy too, you guys. Like a steak salad, or is that sweet potatoes? I can't tell. Maybe that's sweet potatoes, but it looks like a balsamic glaze on there, and I'm like, that looks tasty. I also got the belt, you guys. Okay, I really wanted this belt for myself because it is the perfect little bit of something for an accessory, you guys. So this is the next item that I have in my personal box. It is from Kate Spade, and this retails for $58 if you wanted to purchase it brand new. It is a black belt with gold hardware on here. It's a very thin belt, and the idea is to wear this as like a high-waisted accessory. I wanted this because I will typically wear like really big cardigans, and then this can be something that I could cinch around my waist to give a little bit more of a curve, a little bit more of a shape in there. And I was like, black and gold, like this is perfect. It's just a little bit of a dressy accent. So this one was, again, this along with the Crocs was like top of my list. Definitely wanted to get this. I just saw a lot of potential for myself using this one. They did have these in a lot of different sizes. I think there were 3 different sizes available, but they were selling very quickly. So if you guys wanted this one, I don't know if it's in stock anymore or not, but I would say grab it if you see it because they were going very fast when I was shopping for it. The next item inside of my personal box is from Fenty Skin. This is the Cookies and Cream Facial Mask. So it is a detoxifying mask, and it will actually turn, when you first apply it, it's going to be white and it's going to turn gray when it's finished, and then you're able to wash it all off. So that's kind of the idea behind the cookies and cream thought in here as well. So this is a full-size product, and this is what it will look like here. Also in my box, I went with the Riddle perfume. I mean, big surprise there. I just love my fragrances, you guys. So this is a roll-on fragrance. It's from the brand called Riddle. It is a full-size product, and the scent is called Muse. I love these fragrances, you guys. I also love the size because I can throw them in my purse. They're like the size of a chapstick bottle, but they are full size. Like this is legitimately the size they make them in. But I like that you can just take them with you, and then you can do a touch up with your scent whenever you want to because it's just a roller ball. So I'll put a little on my wrist, and then it's like you're just good to go and you're nice and fresh. The scent on here I feel like is really good. I like that it's not an overly strong perfume scent. It doesn't smell like alcohol to me. It's a really great soft scent in my opinion. So I liked that a lot. I tried this in my PR box, and I was like, yeah, this is really good. So if you have not tried this one, again, if you're just now looking at FabFitFun and what they have to offer, I do recommend this fragrance. Also, I think this fragrance is like $60 or something if you buy it online. So again, I mean, this little guy can pay for your entire box. So the last item that I did choose in my personal box is from Ahava. Apparently, I don't remember choosing this, you guys, but I guess I did. So this is my only duplicate between my mystery box and my personal box is the cleansing gel, which isn't a bad thing. I mean, I always need cleansers, you guys, so I'm not mad at it. But I did receive a bonus product in here that I did not know was coming. So this is in my personal box. It's not in the mystery box. This is from Dove, and it is their plant milk cleansing bar. Gosh, they really want me to be clean, don't they? So this one is their berry and brulee scented cleansing bar. I believe this is just a free sample that they're putting out there because it is new on the market. So Dove is like sharing their products so everybody can try them out. But it's infused with plant milk, so it's supposed to be a really soft, nourishing bar that's also safe for sensitive skin. I've not tried this berry one, but it does smell like berries. It smells good, you guys. Like fresh and juicy, like it's good. So that is everything inside of my FabFitFun Winter 2024 boxes. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you guys think of this season? And I technically am not quite done unboxing yet. Like, I still have more to share with you. So in addition to this, I also purchased the 3 mystery bundles from FabFitFun that retail for $20 a piece. They are refill mystery bundles. That will be coming in a separate video. But the great thing is that everything that I showed you guys today are all available as options for your box. I personally thought the winter season was really good. There's a lot in here that I will use. Like I said, the belt, I saw it and I was like, oh, it's so cute. I will definitely use that. The little Crocs for cooking. I mean, how cute is that? And then to get all of the beauty products, and I will use all of the cleansing ones, the eye patches, all of that is a fraction of the price versus if I were to buy it full price at like Sephora or somewhere else. So for me, this was a really good season and I thought it was just great. But if you guys are interested, you would like to try FabFitFun out, I've got the link down below. I've got those coupon codes down there as well. But all of these products that I showed you today are available for your box to be customized with. Then you can also do the mystery add-on box and get all of those additional products as well. So if you're interested, everything is down below for you guys. But until next time, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!